welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jackie Aina. So, you know she loves props, and the glasses are cute or whatever. But today I'm going to be showing you how to get this. Zoom in. Come on, zoom in. Yes, glossy eye. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this really fun, very vibrant, bold, cobalt blue eye, which also happens to be glossy. You don't have to do this look with a blue cobalt eye. You can do it with whatever your little heart desires. Who are me to judge? Today I've also partnered with Bobbi Brown for today's video. Shout out to Bobbi. This video is for Bobbi. It's just for Bobbi, okay? I partnered with Bobbi to demonstrate the Luxe Liquid Lip High Shine collection in today's video. These are these gorgeous, stunning, super bougie new glosses that Bobbi Brown just recently launched. This is my second partnership with Bobbi Brown, so I just wanted to say shout out to you and thank you again for the opportunity to work with you guys, and thank you to all of you guys who support my partnerships. So we'll be getting into the tea on these glosses, where you can get them, how to apply, what they are, what they do, where they're from, girl, while also showing how to get this really fun, grungy, you know, out there blue look. Before we do get started, I'm going to ask that you subscribe and join the Jackie Aina family. I would love to see you come back on future videos. And if you don't subscribe, either way, I'll still benefit, so it's cool. It's not a big deal, you know? Tomato, tomato, more the merrier. I keep looking in the monitor because she looks so good. All right, I gotta go. Let me get started. Bye. I'm gonna start off with the primer mattifier from Bobbi. I love it, Bobbi. This feels good on the skin, girl. It's one of those cooling primers. So as you can see, it's creating a really nice, smooth base for the foundation. See, nice and smooth. All right, I'm gonna do one more thing. One more thing, if I can find it. Yo, do y'all remember when this used to be discontinued at MAC, or it was like a seasonal thing? The Prep and Prime Skin Refine Zone. When they launched this product and then took it from us, there was boycotting going on. No, I'm just kidding, not literally. But basically, this was like as good as it got for filling in pores, helping to control oil. And I treat this like liquid gold. I really only put it in my problem areas. And I still use this product to this day. I don't use it a lot on camera as much. I try to minimize the tutorial as much as I possibly can so that it doesn't seem too product heavy as much as it already is. But I really like this for like sucking up oil and making your skin look nice and soft. It is quite matte though and quite drying, but I feel like for today's look it's pretty appropriate though. For my foundation, I'm gonna take the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Weightless SPF 15. It is an oil-free shine control. I've already done a review on this foundation and featured it in other past tutorials. If you want a reference on the channel, get familiar with her. Wet. The color that I use is Golden Almond. I feel like out of all of Bobbi's foundations, this one is the most like current, to-date, trendy foundation that they've ever come out with. Everything else is quite timeless, quite skin-like. Bobbi came out with something for the girls who want to be beat, and I was kind of here for it. Now I'm going to blend this out. So today, Dennis and I are headed to London town just to visit his family for the week. I'm so excited. It's actually our first time. That's a lie. That's actually a lie. So last year we went for Christmas together, but like Christmas, you're trying to see everyone, you're trying to see yourself, you're trying to shop, you're trying, you know, like it was too much. This is our first time in a while going not work related, just leisurely, and I'm really excited because we won't have a schedule, we won't be on someone else's time zone, and we'll get to relax. Did I tell y'all the color is Golden Almond 6.5? Yeah, she's a Golden Almond 6.5. I'm gonna conceal under my eyes heavily using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and the color that I use is Tan. Maybelline, I'm begging you, please don't take my shade. But for real though, Maybelline, when are we gonna get more shades? Mabes, let's talk about it, okay? Just give us a couple more deep dark golden shades. I promise I won't say nothing. Flawless skin with this look. I don't want to see nothing out of place. I don't want to see nothing unblended. I don't want to see nothing awry. I cannot be the only person excited that Halloween is finally over. Bye, pumpkin! I'm sorry, but Halloween is just like not that chick. Like she just needs to give it up. I did have a sick, just downright disgusting Rihanna costume last night though. She definitely came to bring it, and she was not leaving without it at all. And by the way, wearing a Halloween costume, it does not make you less of a Christian. Just like putting up a Christmas tree doesn't make you more of a Christian. Just saying. That was some Lancome stick foundation, by the way. You don't have to use that. I just happen to pack all my other contour stuff, so By the way, shout out to XOXO Virgin Hair, my girl Stephanie, Black Owned Hair brand. She sent me this wig, and what did we do last time? Last time she was purple. So I gave it to the guy who does my color, and I was like, you know what? Surprise me. Just do something different. Do something I've never done before, except for red. I don't do red. And he was like, okay. And you know, the reason why I never do red hair, you may ask, why don't I ever do the red hair? Since you asked, I know you didn't really ask, but I'm just answering it anyway. The reason why I never do red hair is because I love Kelly Rowland. I think she's absolutely beautiful. She seems like such a great role model. And she's not a bad person to be compared to at all. But I just feel like personally for me, if I did red hair, the Kelly Rowland comparisons would not stop. Like they're already at a level 10. They've kind of calmed down over the years because I blocked the word in my videos. There was a phase where like every day, every video, like every other comment was like Kelly Rowland, like, okay, I get it. I get it. So that's always been the one thing that's kept me away from red hair because I feel like of all the people in the industry, she kind of put red hair, that bright, vibrant red hair, like primary red. You know, you can't think of red hair without remembering Kelly in the 2000s and 90s. Like, it's just, Kelly's red, okay? And look, I don't want to do anything else to encourage any celebrity comparisons of any kind. Let me be me. I am Jackie Aina. I look like Jackie Aina. Okay. I mean, I guess I kind of see it. Like I said, it's not a bad thing to be compared to, but whatever. Yeah, I want my own identity. I'm not gonna prime my eye too heavily since this lid is gonna go glossy, and I don't want too much product and goopy, icky, sticky, icky, wicky. I don't want all that on my lid, so without adding any more concealer, just barely graze over the eyes. Give us a clean canvas to work with. I'm gonna set my under eye with some powder. This is from Sacha Buttercup. Oldie but goodie. Isn't it kind of ironic that there's going to be dry powder from the lower lash line down and then wet gloss from the upper lash line up? Wait, makeup is just real trickery, I tell ya. I'm gonna go into bronzing using my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the shade Z. Oh, just kidding, dark. Is this new? Are you tripping out? Are you not used to seeing me bronze before my brows? I know. It's a lot to get used to, but honestly, sis, like through prayer and vigilance, we can get through this together. By the way, I hear a lot of people use the words bronzing and contour interchangeably. They are not the same thing. Contour adds what in the world? Contour is what you do when you want to add shadows and sculpt the face. I personally like bronzing because I already have like a really sculpted, narrow, harsh face, you know? I just feel like bronzer adds a softer look, you know? You also don't want to leave the face flat when you add foundation, so pick one. Either you're going to contour or you're going to bronze or you're going to do both. Basically, one sculpts and one adds warmth, you know? Like you're not adding dimension, you're just bringing back like the natural warmth back in your skin that you get around the perimeter or when you're like outside. That's why they literally call it bronzer, you know? It gets a little more toastier up here in the areas where the sun hits. Except, does anyone actually get a natural bronze tan in their cheekbones? I want to speak to you and your manager. Let me know in the comments. Tell me what that's like. That's an emotion I don't think I've ever experienced. All right, Hangover RX, what you got? What you got, sis? I'm gonna fill my brows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I'm gonna speed right through it. No one cares. Business as usual. No, but seriously, I don't think anyone's referenced my brows, asked me about my brows. Maybe they just don't look good. It could be that, I'm not sure. I just feel like everyone knows how to do their brows now. No one cares anymore. I'm proud to say that as a community, we've all conquered it together because we went through some rough times with brows and we stuck through all of it. I do love an ashy brown brow though. Woo! This is the Soft and Sultry from Milani. You guys know I'm a big fan of Pure Passions. That's like the warm, orangey bronze one. This one has more grays, taupes, blacks for like your darker, smokier eyes. So the first shade I'm gonna use is this one here. I like ashy eye colors because you have to place them a certain way. So anyway, we're gonna put her right in our crease. The quality, like Milani shadows, were good. They were okay. They weren't really ever that girl, but honestly, the quality in this palette is coming for so many high-end palettes. So I'm sweeping that into my crease, back and forth. I'm gonna switch gears a little bit and also sweep just a little bit of this along my bottom lash line. We don't want to get too carried away though, because there's gonna be a lot going on up here. We just don't want it to get too busy along that bottom lash line, or else she will start competing with the top lash line, and we're not really here for that. Black eyeliner for this look is like a must. So I'm gonna take one of my L'Oreal Silk Kiss Me liners and just preemptively pop that in, and then squeeze your eyes if you're too lazy to tight line and do top and bottom. Just squeeze them, just squeeze really hard, and all the liner will also mirror the top lash line. All right, take this dark gray situation and pop a bit of her on the outer V area just to smooth it out a little bit. Remember, blending does not have to be perfect. This does not have to be a cut crease sumo ninja-esque look. It's not that deep because you're gonna throw gloss on top of it anyway. This is a Danessa Myricks Metals. These are so gorgeous, so beautiful. It's just a pigment. That's the easiest way I can describe it. The color that I'm using is Sequins, and as you can see, I went with a shade that doesn't complement my hair well at all. That's obvious sarcasm, hopefully. Stunning. I'm gonna be wetting my brush with Fix Plus as I apply this, just to get it to stick. Y'all see that, right? It's so pretty. It doesn't even need gloss. I'm just gonna go to my blending brush, make sure that that blends into the black we applied. The more you wet your brush, the more foiled this is gonna look. Just in case you're not interested in gloss at all, don't forget you gotta go back to your crease and blend that into the blue. You can also dab a little bit along the bottom lash line on the inner corner. I don't have a ton of fallout. I have a little bit. I'm just gonna take a blending brush and sweep it off. Right now, she is not welcome here. All right, this frosty color right here, we're just going to dab a little bit in the inner corner, like literally the inner corner, girl, like the inner corner, right in there. I'm gonna throw on some mascara and just a little light lash, just something simple for the PTA meetings. This is Faux Mink Miami from Lily Lash. My lash glue is drying, so I'm gonna apply Berry More blush, also from Milani. Milani, hey, love you guys. We're going for a pink blush that will not only complement the blue, but also the lip shades we're gonna be using later. I like when the blush and the lip coordinate. That's kind of my staple, if you will, I guess. And this is a really pretty blush, as you can see. I'm gonna use a bit of my LeBron's Diamond Glow Powder from Artist Couture. Another spray. This time I'm gonna use the Peach Matte. Side note, these sprays, if you're like not quite sure if you want to commit, if you're not quite sure you're a believer, they all come in mini travel sizes. I take these with me everywhere. Okay, now I'm gonna throw on my lash before we get into the gloss. Come on, lash glue, don't fail me. Lashes are on, now we're ready for gloss. You can use any clear gloss. The one that I just happened to grab, because I couldn't find anything else, was this latex one from Too Faced. I'm gonna take a bit of that on my fingertip and just pop that onto the eye and really make it glisten. Ooh. Don't waste your brushes, just use your fingers, it's fine. If I have nails and I can do it, so can you. All right, now it's time for the gloss. Gloss slide. The main star of the show, as we introduced earlier, is the Bobbi Brown Luxe Liquid Lip High Shine Collection. These are all glosses. Bobbi gave us some gloss, Bobbi gave us some shine, so she wants us to glisten in 2019. I'm gonna use a combination of some mauvey nude pinks to go with the cool tones in the blue eye. And like I said, I like when my lip matches my blush. So these come in 9 shades. They retail for $37. My favorite part about this collection is the packaging. I've never seen, that's actually a lie. I have seen some beautiful collections from Bobbi Brown, but when Bobbi says Luxe, she means this. It's very fluid with the Luxe Matte Lip Color Collection. Like, they both have the same vibe, similar packaging, similar texture. Before I even did this partnership, I was wowed by the packaging and I was like, ooh, these are so pretty. So like I said, they come in 9 shades, 37 Zolas. They're lightweight, moisturizing, and give the puckers a nice, luscious look, but don't be relying on the gloss too much. Make sure you exfoliate, girls. I'm coming for you, okay? Scrub your lips. These glosses are available at Sephora and or Sephora.com. As I normally do, I'm going to put them in the description box where you can find them and purchase. I've been wearing this entire collection for the past couple weeks, traveling with these lipsticks, and they give us long wearability. The quality is insane, and they look good in Instagram pictures. That's all I ask for. So the first thing I'm gonna do is line my lips with a flesh tone liner. This is Kay from ColourPop. What else is new? I'm gonna give you swatches of some of the other colors that I have, even though I'm not necessarily gonna be wearing them. This is Mod Pink. It is a cool tone. The shine though, the shine. Sis, the shine. That's Mod Pink. I feel like every girl needs a pink or already has a pink like this in their collection. Flawless. This next one is a little bit more of, I would call like a taupey brown nude. It's called Au Naturel. Ooh, yeah. She's going on today. Yep. I haven't worn this one yet. We're gonna be using that one today. I feel like this one won't compete with the eyes too much. I have Camisole, which is another pink. I am slightly biased in that I'm so happy there are so many pinks in this collection. That is more like a rosy mid-tone pink. Also very cool in undertone. And then Italian Rose, that's pretty dark. Also, I would consider slightly more purple. Why did I make that face? So I'm gonna go with Italian Rose and Au Naturel for today's look. Queen of blue tones with nude pink lips. So Italian Rose, I'm gonna apply on the outer corners of my lips and then press them together. You can build these up or shear them out as much as you want, but I like the way that they also can kind of settle into like a cream. It looks like I'm just wearing a regular lipstick. In the center, I'm going to apply Au Naturel just to really nude it out. And I'm gonna add a bit more lighter. I'm gonna keep pressing my lips together and then black, make it look more satiny. She cute. Nah, I really just be going, me and my monitor just be like having a connection. So that is the final look. Lighter lips may not be for you, but I live for a light, bold, pink lip, honey. Don't be in the comments trying to check me. All right, boo. That's all I got for you guys. Let's go ahead and close this out. Thank you again to Bobbi Brown for partnering with me for today's video. And thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's look. If you recreated, I love seeing you guys tag me on Instagram stories, on Twitter, whatever you have, just holla at me if you like this look and if you feel compelled to recreate it in any way, shape, or form that may be. Maybe you wanted to redo the lips. Maybe you like the lip collection. Maybe you wanted to redo the eye. I want to see it. Share with Auntie Jackie. Thank you. But look, in the meantime, I know you ain't going to work because you know you want to watch the next video, right? I know you do. I'm gonna wait. It's cool.